All right, guys, you need to make sure you value your personal relationships outside of this appliance repair. I know I'm a type of person that goes. I'm pushing. And I'm always focused on work and moving forward in whatever endeavor that I have going on, because I've been in several different businesses. But the one thing that I always am flawed upon is valuing my personal relationships at home. Now, there's some people who value their personal relationships above everything to the detriment of the business. Myself, I'm on the other end of the spectrum. I'm always business, and then a lot of times my family gets what's left over. So I'm just coming to you one-man shops right now. This isn't geared to the big companies and whatnot. I'm sure the CEOs or the company owners of major appliance repair companies have their own set of struggles. But as a one-man shop and growing, you have to make sure you cultivate and take time to grow your personal relationships, because when you're in the growth stage of your business, something is going to fall by the wayside, and a lot of times that is your family and those valuable relationships that you have. So I just want you to make sure that you take time out to first and foremost value those. Secondly, have empathy. That's a word that I've seldom used, but my counselor has asked me to start looking to see if I can find a way to have more empathy toward other people. Because, growing up in the inner city of Dallas, you get cold to a lot of things. You get callous because of things that has happened to you. And so that translates and reveals itself into everything. You'll think it's in just one part, but it won't be. It'll be in everything. You'll make decisions based off of what has happened to you and how you've been done in the past. And I'm really guilty of that, because just honestly and truthfully, I don't talk to anybody in the appliance repair business nor field except for Miss Ward. I'm basically talking to all my customers and my mentor, Miss Ward. That's it. I don't have any appliance repair friends that I talk to just because I don't have any around here, And I'm not one of those people that's just talking with a lot of people. I need to be more apt to network, but really, I'm just going. And that time I would be spending networking. I need to be cultivating my family life at home. Excuse me. Because, like I said, you have to know how to turn it on and turn it off. And that could be difficult for a lot of entrepreneurs and business-driven people, such as myself. I'm always on. And I need to learn how to better turn it off so that I can be more emotionally available for my family when we are present together. So I just want to come to you with that message, because yesterday I had something happen and I knew I was in the wrong, but I'm thinking about business and my wife was thinking about family time. So I want you to take from me, if this little word gets to you this morning, is to try and cultivate those relationships at home and don't let business be business and all the time. You got to have a time to turn it off and to shut it down. I'm back on the road again. It's Sunday morning, up with the sunlight, outgoing. Got a long drive ahead of me. But I just, thought that I would make this video, I got the smooth cut now, and let you guys know, because I know I don't see any videos like this, and I want to be very transparent about my journey and about the things that I go through, I don't really care what people think about me for that.
In 1 mile, exit right 2, exit 469, US 380, University Drive.
The people that need this, or that might be struggling with it, or might run into this in the future, something to look at and not feel like they're the only ones that are going through when they are expanding and growing their business. I'm gonna be very transparent, and some would say vulnerable off in these videos, but I think it needs to be said. It's a lot of things that in the appliance repair field are left unsaid. It's all about the money, and that's cool and all, but you got to have somebody to share that money with, and you need to make sure you preserve those relationships with people, have integrity.
Exit right 2, exit 469, US 380, University Drive.
All right, guys.